Hey there, Schoology users. This is Ms. Hurst, and I am really excited to show you something I have been working on for a very long time and had yet to figure out until today. So, many of you, if you're like me, you use Remind to get in touch with your students and know what they have going on. It's great because it doesn't use phone numbers, it's easy to set up, and it's very simple to go through and use. And the issue is that when you try and add a widget, so if you're in Remind and you go over to your name and you go to your account settings, you'll see that there's this thing that says widgets. And unfortunately, when you look at this here, it looks like, oh, I should just copy it and paste it. Well, that doesn't work. And when you go to the little help section, it tells you that this widget will not work in Schoology. So, I have been trying for a few years now to come up with some sort of way around it, and I finally did today. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to show the advanced settings and make sure you're just grabbing the regular code. You can pick which class you want, so I'm just going to, for intents and purposes, grab my 1B Algebra 2. And I am just going to copy this widget code. Now, within this widget code, there is a actual website. Because it is in here, I do not grab it from there. What I'm going to do is just pop on over to Schoology, and I'm just going to copy and paste this code into a page. So I'm just in my Schoology course. I added a page. I paste this in. It looks like this. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to paste it into my browser. And what that does is it pulls up this line of code here. And you might be thinking, well, why do I need this whole set of code? This doesn't look like what I need. What you need is this very first line here that says SRC followed by this web address. You're going to take this web address here as written. And you might have to do it twice when you can't highlight like you like to for a change. And you copy it. And then you're going to go to your favorite iframe generator. I just go to iframegenerator.com and I paste this in. And then I'm just going to add on a scroll bar. I'm just going to check that option for yes. And I'm going to hit generate. It gives me the code right here. All I'm going to do is copy it. And after I've copied that, I'm going to go right back to that page I opened up that I used to just get that code from. Switch it over to HTML. Paste in this iframe code and call it my Remind. Finally, I'm going to hit the display on new page, and when it populates here in just a second, you will see I have a widget for Remind that will now show up in my course, and all of the students are able to see every single message that I have put out for this particular course. And it is completely usable. They can click join class to get there and sign up for Remind, or they can see it right here in Schoology. So, super excited to show you that. Let me know if there's any other cool things we want to figure out, and I look forward to posting more in the future. Hope everyone has a good school year. Bye.